straight back over the wheels.
Meeting deadlines is a little rough. Things get changed a lot. Measurements get changed. People get angry. But telling David that he can't is like showing a red rag to a bull. You're going to get the horns.
I forgot how bad this car is. I know we got a ton to do in the shop. I apologize. I want to be my own client. I want to know what I'm capable of. I know you all think I'm crazy, but you do know me, Ashley. You know I'm never happy.
Are you trying to say you're gonna make this faster?
He's showing his lack of mental stability in changing her. She's fantastic.
I don't know that we can make it better, and everybody's idea of better is different.
He's finally lost it.
It's not a Grand Prix car that you see on a racetrack. My car is a GPS. That's the street version. But if we're gonna really start playing with it and start doing some of this track stuff like we did the Invader, I wanna make this thing where it's not so much a race car, but a fun car to play with that acts like a race car. And then there's a few things I saw as the time goes on needs to be changed. Before I was concentrating on the GP side of it, the Grand Prix side, the race side of it. That is who I am. The S part of it I didn't think was important until just recently. I can make it a little more user-friendly so people quit grumping at me.
Making it comfortable for us regular people, is that what you're saying? Us non-badasses?
You don't understand. To be bad, you give up certain things.
Comfort.
She's an incredible assistant, but she needs to step up to the big boys with toy makers here and realize what bad really is. You don't even like being in the passenger seat. Do you have a pad I can sit on? Do you have a pillow? I am going to concentrate on the street side of that car, making it fundamental, making it where I can use pump fuel in it, where I can drive it anywhere, anyhow, anyway, and still spank every damn Corvette on the planet.
And then you'll have me to drive your GP car on the street.
Baby, you don't really want her to drive you, do you?
I love the idea of more user-friendly and comfortable because that means that I'm gonna get to drive it eventually.
You're gonna get me the seats that I want, regular fuel. It sounds user-friendly. It sounds assistant user-friendly. I'm liking this idea.
Yeah, I said user-friendly. I didn't say user-drivable. Nobody's ever gonna drive that car but me. I think I just peed myself a little bit.
I got that excited too.